Hi friends, let me show you these new PNY micro SD cards that I bought because I need them in different applications. As you can see, they come well packed. You get 5 of them, 64 gigabytes, and you also get a SD size adapter. If your reader in your computer, it's an SD size, you don't have a microSD, you can insert them here and read your cards in any standard SD size reader. They even have this lock, so you can't erase the card accidentally, okay? The micro SD cards, as you know, are really useful nowadays. More and more accessories, cameras, phones, and lamps like this use them. So we need them here in our office. We have this security camera, and you can either pay a web service to store the videos from the camera, or a cheaper version or cheaper option is to install a micro SD card in it, like this. Okay, so the security videos will be saved, record in the card directly. You can either through an app get the videos or just get the card out and take it to your reader. So if you need for any memory requirement, micro SD or an SD card, these PNY options are great. Thank you.